la la la. Oh la 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 la. Lord God. What's up? What's up? How are you? Oh, not it. Guys, I'm here telling us I be here. We don't even know what we talk about. Me look like ghosts. Guys, me soon update on about everything. So me just observe. So me soon update on it. No worry yourself. I no soon get the news. You know we love people. You get it? Alright, ma come. Soon update. You understand? Update soon forward. Take off the filter. No, you're mad. I'm take off the filter, I don't look good. Eh? One question, where's slime? Left him in my bed. I left him where him there now. So no good answer. Yo, if you know some favorite channel, what kind of disrespect that? You know say a big disrespect that when you some favorite channel. I have to go hide myself. Yeah, I'm old white too. I'm old white too, is it? You don't want to see it? No, if you don't want to see it, because me is a man where we just start take out my thing and just swing it across. You know? So that's what I know if you don't want to see it. You know about yes. I live and I want to get banana. Caption pose, me do if you like pose. Me do taps and rows. What? Why? You don't even know if you talk, so yeah, man. Oh, somebody come for that phone. Yo, come for that phone. Come and even know if you talk, so find that live, man. All them people are move side to side, you know. I'm not chop.
Yeah. In bringing us too long. Let's get out. Where are they? Did they meet us here? Whoa. Hey. I'm not playing nobody. Oh, I'm not saying what Alex, yeah. Thanks guys, join my friend. You are beautiful. Oh, what if me have a girlfriend? So no bright? You find Zoe never lost. Very good.
Go on, Rafa.
You be killing them with your fuck. What you got, boss? I bring? You can't find him.
Yeah, let me look here now, you. Yeah,
That's a good man. What about movie like that? We do mix up. And they take one.
What type of promotion? Marketing. You know, marketing.
You guys are on it. You like back to movie.
No, Alex, Jesus, merciful. Me, I come watch him around for the life. Alex, what is it? One word.
Mummy around too. Nice boy. I'll be a nice boy, man. Say, guys, the people marry on the downstairs. I'm going to say off. Remember, so I there, I don't run. I don't run. How old are you? I'm 18. Him shy. Bad. Walk over. Walk over with bad. Well, everybody has a 17. Man, a 17.
Yeah, how much?
Huh?
Yeah, how much? You go official, Alex, you put down the music.
Is that?
Don't tell Andrew for your age. Go on. Work. Guys, we're in a deal with some look at business and so just give me some time, alright? Guys, the people them want us here. The people them love us here. Yeah, the people them like us here. Like the boss rate way. Yeah. So hold on, we do look at business and come. What do you mean by why? I'm a lovable person. Yeah, so you want the man love a vibe. You want us here. Just hold on, me deal with some business, alright? I'm gonna be able to sell me soon, come back, you know. Alright? And make sure it's at the end of the day I wanna treat Alex good. Data code. Up the cup. I don't want to end the life for you guys. I want the life go and run a little bit and next we just drive out and go the river. Right? So I'm just go and keep Alex company. The place nice, guys. I'm not lie to you. Look. Nice complex. Give hello.
I guess you want
Yeah, hold on, come. Make a bow. Alright, now make a bow and key. Now check for make a bow. Downstairs. Me need you. I don't want to come meeting together. Everybody come together.
right now.
Go on the veranda, yes, everybody. Make a group meeting. Let's go up on the patio upstairs. You soon get a key. They might come with the key. Upstairs. We have a little meeting together. You come upstairs?
What kind of meeting?
When you come here, you'll find out. Did you hear? I think that happened. That's something like that happened.
Key? Yeah, man. We're going to check back. None of them on a key.
Two. Move it there.
We're going to check back.
Two.